In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset 1Password master password. Now, this is only possible in case you have the access to your account. If you're logged out, then unfortunately, unless you have a recovery code, you won't be able to reset your password because, of course, you need the access to your admin console to be able to do that. So, if you have access, go ahead and go at the very top right where you can see your name, and then click on that, click on Manage Account. And then from here, just below your account, as you can see, it's going to say change password. So if you click on that, you have to type in your current password, and then you have to type in the new password, which will basically be the new master password, and you have to retype it again and click on change password. Now what this will do is it will change your master password. However, if you've basically, if you've locked yourself out of your account and you basically can't get back in, and you do have the recovery code, here's what you can do. So let's say you were here on the sign in page and you basically just can't sign in. First, what you have to do here is click on having trouble signing in, and then here, if you have a recovery code, just click on have a recovery code, and then type that in and click on next, and you should be able to regain access to your account, okay? If you don't have it though, make sure you actually go ahead and try to find it somewhere. So on your computer, maybe you've saved it somewhere, like maybe you have it in your notes or stuff like that, and just basically try to get the access to your account so you can then reset your master password in there. Now, if you can do this, it's also going to say having trouble signing in. You can go ahead and press continue over here, which will send the email. And then when the email is sent, you'll get some assistance in there as well. And they will tell you how to basically get your recovery code, and you'll be able to fill that in case you have it. And then you'll be able to sign back into your account and change your master password. But this is the only way to actually change it. It's within your account by going to your settings and doing it like I showed you at the beginning of this video. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.